Hey guys, so exciting news. The wallpaper came today, so I'm gonna give you a sneak preview of that. Here's what it's looking like with the black and white leaves. Just keeping it, oh shit. So there is that. And I thought I could like easily put this up this weekend, but then I realized that my ceiling is probably like a solid 9 feet off the ground, so I have no way of reaching all the way that high. So I have to figure that out this weekend because I really want to put it up this weekend, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. So that's great. I have to find a ladder. My dad has a ladder, but the car is not big enough to transport it. So we'll see. In the meantime, I'm hoping to clean up some of this stuff and organize this more. But that's about it as for where I'm at. So I'm gonna try the first wallpaper panel and see how it works with putting it up with just me standing on the chair. But we'll see. Oh my god. Well, that was a total fail, which I was kind of expecting because I need to be able to reach the top for me to be able to stick it onto the wall. People were like, try it with the chair. Stupid. Hey guys, so it's been a long time, but I finally have a ladder so I can try to install this damn wallpaper. So let's see how it works. Excuse the fact that I look like a mess. I've been sweating my ass off for like an hour and I didn't even film the whole thing of me putting up the wallpaper because I was really nervous. But as you can see, I did it. My room is a nightmare right now because I have a shit ton of laundry to do, but I just wanted to show it as it is. It looks really good. It's not perfect, like right here with the smoke alarm got really fucked up, and then like it's not perfectly on the ceiling and it kind of goes downward, but everything's like lined up, so I think it's fine. I like it. I'm not mad about it. I'll show you another day when it's like light out and everything's clean and organized, because now it doesn't look as good as it can. But this is crazy, and this is just crazy because it's like I've wanted this for so long, but didn't know I would be able to do it myself, and I did it hundreds of dollars later and months later. So I was just editing this video and realized I didn't show what the wallpaper looks like in the daylight, so I decided I would just shoot this little clip now and do that. From the first clip when I got the wallpaper, I think I got the wallpaper I think I got it at the end of January, and now it's March, so it took me over a month to be able to install it, but I think it was well worth it. Like, everybody loves this wallpaper. I'll put a link to it below. It was really expensive, but I think the end result is cool, and I would only really recommend getting this temporary wallpaper if you know you're going to be at your apartment for a long time, because that would be a lot to invest for a year-long lease. So here is what it looks like in the daylight. I posted a picture on Instagram. My room is still not clean. Well, the bed looks clean, but everything else not clean. But it looks great, I think. And I was considering getting a TaskRabbit to install it, but I would be a lot more pissed off if the TaskRabbit screwed it up like I did. And I'm like not mad that I, didn't do it perfectly, but if I was like paying somebody to install it, then I would have been a little bit more pissed. But I think it looks great. I'll show you the seam of it so you can see like where it connects. But here's one of the seams right here. It's not really noticeable unless you like look for it, But since it's 4 panels, of course, there's 4 seams. Yeah, there's another one. Yeah, here's the situation. Not looking a whole lot different over here. I don't know how to style a shelf. I don't know. I need to figure my shit out. I think I just need to buy more stuff, which isn't something I thought I would say. Well, no, it's something I thought I would say, but it's not what I should say. But yeah, that's what this looks like. I have a few more things on my wish list. I really want to buy a couple plants. I want one on top of here that like goes down and shit. Possibly a hanging one because I have these 2 hooks. Maybe something there. And then I have like a space by the TV stand in the living room. Oh, I'll just show it to you. That I think would suit a plant well. Right here. Don't you think? Yes. So that's where we're at with this apartment situation.